Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. Today we will be making yummy Hyderabadi Shahi Mutton Khorma. Okay, let's go see all the ingredients what we need to make this dish. Okay, we needed meat. I have a mutton 1.5 pound, and we're gonna have the dry spices, haldi, turmeric, half a spoon, and I have the coriander powder, dhania powder 1 spoon, and garam masala 1/4 spoon, and I have a red chili powder 1 spoon, and I have a Kashmiri red chili powder 1 spoon, salt to taste, okay, according to your taste. And I have garlic and ginger paste 1 spoon, and we have 2 cardamoms over here, whole spices, and piece of cinnamon stick, a couple of cloves, and then we have some nuts over here. We're gonna roast these nuts, and then we're gonna grind these nuts. We have 10 cashew nuts, 10 almonds, and some coconut, designated coconuts, and some poppy seeds. If you don't have poppy seeds, don't worry about it. It's no problem. It's not gonna change that much taste in your dish, okay? And also we have over here green masala, some cilantro, some mint, and some green pepper. And we have a yogurt, half a cup of yogurt. I got half a cup of yogurt, and 1 large onion. Okay, so let's go first roast all these dry nuts, and we're gonna grind that, and also then we're gonna go ahead and fry the onions. Okay, first we're gonna do is put all the spices and marinate this meat. Okay, we put all the dry spices in there, and this garlic and ginger paste, and yogurt. We'll mix all these things, and we're gonna marinate meat for half an hour. While the meat is marinating, we're gonna go roast all the nuts, dry roast them, and we're gonna fry the onions to golden brown, not very dark brown, just the golden brown, light brown. So while this is marinating, we can do rest of the stuff. Okay, our pan is warm, so we're gonna do everything is on the roasting. These things is in the very low flame. Okay, we're gonna first roast these big nuts, like almonds and cashew nuts. They're kind of bigger, so they will take a little bit longer than a little bit of poppy seeds and coconut. Okay, our almonds and cashew nuts are a little bit roasted, so we're gonna putting this poppy seeds and coconut because they burn very fast, so you have to be very careful. Just do it for a few seconds, not for too long. See, they already start popping. Coconut is also grated coconut. It won't take too long to get roasted. See, the poppy seeds is already start jumping. Okay, they're done. I don't want to burn them, so I'm going to remove this back in the plate. So we're going to grind this, put a little bit of water, and grind them in the grinder. Okay friends, our pan is hot, and I put 2 spoons of oil in there. So we're going to put some onions. We'll fry these onions until it gets golden brown. Okay friends, our onions is almost ready. So that's all we are gonna fry. We're not gonna fry anymore. So then we are gonna grind these onions. Okay, after I remove the onions, some oil left in there. So in the same oil, I'm gonna be cooking meat in there. We'll put the whole spices in there first. Okay, after you put that whole spices, fry them for a few seconds. Then you're gonna add all the meat in there. You're gonna let it cook for a while. So we'll add all the meat. Now we're gonna cook meat for a little while. थोड़ी देर इसको भुनो अच्छे से, फिर पानी डालेंगे. Then we'll put some water in there. Okay, so we're gonna cook for a little while. Okay, our meat is ready. So now we are gonna add a little bit of green pepper. It's optional if you want to eat hot, and some cilantro and some mint leaves. Rest we are gonna keep it for the topping. Okay, we'll cook the spices for a little while. Then we're gonna pour 1 glass of water and let it cook until the meat get tender. Okay friends, we are going to be pouring 1 cup of water and let it cook until the meat gets tender. Okay, then I'll come back and show you rest of the stuff. I'm gonna put it on the medium low. Okay friends, the meat is cooked and it's tender. So now we are gonna put all the spices in there. We grinded all this dry nuts, cashew nuts and almond and onions, coconut, poppy seeds. Just all the mixture together. I'll grind it in the little food processor. So we're gonna put this one for a little while. Then we're gonna add water. Make it like a light gravy, not too much, very tight gravy. Okay, now we're gonna add some water and let it cook for a little while. Now if you want, you can taste for the salt. If you want more salt, you can add it for more salt. And also, I have some more water in my blender. I washed it, so there's some more water left, so pour it in there. So no waste. Okay, we're gonna let it cook for a few more minutes, then our food will be ready. Our Shahi Mutton Khorma will be ready in a few more minutes. About 10 minutes I'm gonna cook that's it. Okay? Okay friends, our Shahi Mutton Khorma is ready. Okay? We'll just we'll garnish with some mint and cilantro and some green pepper. If you like to eat hot, like how we do. Yummy. Okay, see you next video. Bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.